Welcome to Mobile World Congress 2025. We are here on the show floor, a lot of energy, a lot of excitement. This year at Mobile World Congress, one of our biggest announcements was around Mobility Services Platform and the innovations we have there. Along with that, we're proud to announce a big expansion of our Mobility Services Platform developer partner ecosystem. So I'm here live on the floor with Nick Martinez, who has been responsible for a lot of the innovation here. Welcome, Nick.
Thanks, Bob. Thanks for having me.
Yeah, excited to be here and talk about it. So, What are you hearing? You know, you're out here talking to customers and partners every day about this. What are you hearing from them?
They love our story about the Mobility Services Platform, but even more, they enjoy listening, and it's resonating so well. The story about the ecosystem that we're putting around leveraging the APIs that we expose and those applications that we can actually bring to the enterprise and to the service providers.
Right.
It's amazing.
Yeah, and one of the things that I picked up as well is it's not, with APIs and the applications, but then when they hear, we can participate in the monetization too, there's money here, like this is really, really transformational.
It's extremely exciting, and in some cases, it's like a no-brainer for them to jump on board.
Yeah. So tell us a little bit about some of the partners.
Yeah, sure. So in terms of our ecosystem, we're bringing partners from different verticals and different types of partners. We have three categories. We start with enterprise applications. From the IoT side, we have Ubiquia on the utility side of the house, Upstream on the automobile side of the house, Kajit doing all sorts of integrations for education and healthcare. Having enablers, so that we have, one of our objectives is having more devices connected. How do we make that? We're working with some of the hardware and software manufacturers, that is Kavli Wireless as well as Blues. We work with innovation companies that are running AI models and provide ways to optimize those AI models, like Linker Vision having AI vision, as well as eCreo with AI-powered mission critical communications. Obviously partnering with Qualcomm when it comes to location-based services and how we can optimize some of those enterprise use cases. As well, we have a mobile communication and productivity type of applications that are targeted primarily for the enterprise as well as for consumers. We'll actually go through that and we'll see how they will look within an app store that represent basically all the applications that we will be launching as part of our ecosystem. And then additional, last but not least, we have pre-integrated BSS companies such as Amdocs and CSG. What they bring to the table is a way of simplifying the process, reducing the time of having billing systems and business support systems integrated with our platform.
Thanks, Nick, that's great. And I know our App Store is live and you have it here, so why don't you show everybody a little bit about that?
Yes, so we have launched our App Store, and what we see here is a portal that customers and service providers can actually leverage, and as well as developers, to see what are all the applications that have been published. Developers will also have a way to access the developer portal where we would actually manage the life cycle of those new applications they're about to publish. We have different types of applications here, as we mentioned before. Upstream on the auto industry, Ubiquia on the utility industry, as well as some other applications such as OnRelay, Utelo, Productive.ai, as well as Voxist.
And I love this, and it turned out great, by the way. The team did a fantastic job on this. Yeah. Super excited about that. Also, I don't know of anything that exists anywhere that's quite like this. And that's what we hear from some of these developers is there's no option for them to get this kind of access to operators and to end customers. Yep. And so from a commercial standpoint and from just a visibility and an ease of selection, it's super powerful. I couldn't be more excited about the way it turned out.
Definitely.
Yeah. So thanks to you and all the team that did all the hard work on this.
Yep.
Now I know you have a couple of applications that are running live here. Do you want to just give a quick snapshot of those also?
Very, very quick. We'll actually go through Ubiquia first. Ubiquia, as I mentioned, what they do is they modernize the power grid to become quite smart, saving between 25 to 30% of OpEx for the grid owners. That's a slam dunk.
It's fantastic, and you're looking at the power network right here, and they've
Yes.
got all these great stats and stuff.
Great insight so that they know exactly where to direct their operations team.
Yeah.
If a post for a lamp post is actually tilted more than 10%, it's about to fall, so they need to send someone out.
Yeah. And
That's
this is-
where the optimizations happen.
And it's so cool because it's delivering huge business value for that end user, and it's running on top of the platform. They're very well integrated, helps them get up to speed quicker and operate this. Really, really cool.
Yeah.
What else do you have?
So we also have another sample use case where we have a parking lot for electrical vehicles, and the way we actually highlight this, we're using camera vision with one of our partners, Linker Vision, to detect, process the models, detect to the point where we know which of those parking spaces are still available, and we can proactively send notifications as the vehicles are approaching the parking lot, which ones are available, so they know where to route themselves.
And that's such a powerful. It's a cool little example.
It's an example.
and an easy application to
Yes.
develop there.
Correct.
But it's just illustrates the power of that, and then again integrating on top of the platform. I love it. I mean, there's so much you can do with
Yep.
with AI vision and all that.
Yeah.
That's awesome. That's cool. I know you've got some more stuff here, but we don't want to take too much time.
Yeah.
Really appreciate it. Glad to see it. Thanks for tuning in,
Yeah.
and more to come.
All right. Thanks, folks.